As a homeowner in Southlake, Texas, you want to make the most of your outdoor spaces while keeping your energy bills low. Exterior lighting is a great way to highlight your property's beauty, improve security, and create a welcoming atmosphere for your family and guests. However, traditional outdoor lighting can be energy-intensive and costly. Luckily, there are plenty of energy-efficient options available that allow you to illuminate your yard, driveway, and pathways without driving up your utility bills. Here's a customer-focused guide to some of the best energy-efficient options for exterior lighting installation in Southlake. LED outdoor lighting. When it comes to energy efficiency, LED lights are the gold standard. LED lights use up to 80% less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs, making them a highly cost-effective and eco-friendly choice for your exterior lighting needs. Not only do LEDs consume less power, but they also last much longer, up to 25 times longer than incandescent bulbs. For Southlake homeowners, LED lights are perfect for a variety of outdoor applications, including pathway light, floodlight, garden light, spotlight, string lights for patio. Because of their long lifespan, LED outdoor lights also help reduce waste by cutting down on the need for frequent bulb replacements. Additionally, their superior brightness compared to traditional bulbs means you can light up your outdoor spaces more efficiently with fewer fixtures. Solar-powered lights. If you're looking for an energy-efficient option that requires no wiring or electricity, solar-powered lights are an excellent choice. These lights use sunlight during the day to charge a built-in battery, which powers the light at night. Solar lights are perfect for outdoor areas that get plenty of natural sunlight, like your front or backyard. Solar lights are incredibly low maintenance, requiring only occasional cleaning to keep the solar panels functioning efficiently. They come in a variety of styles, including path light, garden light, string light, wall-mounted light. One of the biggest advantages of solar-powered lights is that they incur no electricity costs and are environmentally friendly. If you want to add some ambiance to your garden, driveway, or walkway without increasing your energy usage, solar lights are a great option. Smart outdoor lighting. Smart outdoor lighting systems are designed to be energy efficient while providing a high level of convenience and control. These systems can be connected to your smartphone or home automation system, allowing you to control the lights remotely and set timers or schedules for when the lights turn on and off. With smart outdoor lighting, you can ensure that your lights are only on when needed, which helps reduce energy consumption. For example, you can program your lights to turn on at dusk and off at a certain time during the night, so they're not left on unnecessarily. Additionally, many smart lights are LED-based, making them even more energy efficient. Some smart lighting systems also include motion sensors, which automatically turn on the lights when movement is detected and turn them off when no motion is present. This feature is not only great for security but also saves energy by ensuring that lights aren't on when they're not needed. Motion sensor lights. Motion sensor lights are a practical and energy-efficient solution for outdoor lighting, especially in areas like driveways, front yards, and entryways. These lights remain off until they detect motion, at which point they automatically turn on. Once no motion is detected for a preset amount of time, the lights turn off again. By only operating when necessary, motion sensor lights significantly reduce energy consumption compared to traditional outdoor lights that are left on all night. In addition to being energy efficient, motion sensor lights provide increased security for your home, as they can startle intruders and draw attention to any unusual activity in your yard. For Southlake homeowners, motion sensor lights can be installed in various places, such as driveways, pathways, backyard, garage entrances, low voltage lighting. Low voltage lighting is another energy efficient option that works by converting high voltage power into low voltage power, which reduces energy consumption. These systems use a transformer to lower the voltage, making the lights more energy efficient than standard high voltage outdoor lights. Low voltage lighting systems are ideal for larger outdoor areas, such as gardens, walkways, or patios. They provide a softer, more atmospheric light compared to traditional high voltage lights, which can be harsh and overpowering. In addition, low voltage systems use up to 75% less energy than traditional lights, making them a cost-effective and environmentally friendly choice. Timer-activated lighting. If you don't want to worry about manually turning your outdoor lights on and off, a timer can help you save energy by automating the process. Timer-activated lights allow you to set specific times for your lights to turn on and off, ensuring they're only used when needed. This is a great solution for decorative lights that you want to be on at certain times, like accent lighting for your garden or pathway. By setting a timer, you prevent lights from being left on overnight, which can lead to unnecessary energy use. Conclusion: energy-efficient outdoor lighting is a smart and sustainable choice for homeowners in Southlake who want to enhance their property's aesthetics, security, and energy efficiency. Whether you opt for LED lights, solar-powered lighting, motion sensors, or low-voltage systems, there are plenty of options to choose from that fit your needs and budget. By installing energy-efficient lighting, you not only lower your electricity bills but also reduce your environmental impact, helping to create a greener, more sustainable community. When planning your exterior lighting installation, consider consulting with a professional to explore the best options for your home. They can help you design a lighting layout that enhances your property's beauty, improves security, and keeps energy consumption low. With the right lighting, your Southlake home will shine bright while being energy smart.